So Neil, what the heck is this workshop, Building Domain-Specific Complex Systems Assessment Models, all about?
Yeah, so the idea is you have people from a variety of domains, like criminal justice, sociology, health, business, and they have complex systems that they're trying to understand and measure risk. And right now they have a lot of moving parts in these systems, and people just use subjective judgment to measure these. But what this workshop is about is taking through a process of how you can build and design a quantitative risk assessment model for these complex systems, such that it can be driven by data and verified, instead of just, oh, I think that is the correct output or correct measure. That's the point.
Wow. So it sounds like I got to be a graduate of MIT or a faculty member from MIT to do this?
No. So this is meant to be, this is targeted for people from non-technical, non-computer science backgrounds. The point here is to understand how to define the problem, how to define the kinds of measures and the inputs and outputs it would kind of take, and design the model from your domain specific kind of way. And that way, and then communicate the model. So the idea is to take you to the point where now you can work with someone who is a programmer or an IT person who can now implement this system and actually build this, so now you can measure this aspect of a complex system that could never be measured before.
Okay, all right. So when is this workshop then?
So the workshop is Thursday, August 16th. It's a 4-day workshop. And basically I'll be taking people through the same kind of process that I do. I'm a research scientist at MIT Lincoln Laboratory. I work building these kinds of complex systems, risk assessment models for cybersecurity problems. And I used to be a FSU professor a few years ago. And I did the same kind of things, but for different problems, emergency management problems, business optimization, these kinds of things. So yeah, it's a 4-day workshop, and the idea is to get you to the point where now you can work with a programmer and produce some results and maybe even publish.
Sounds awesome. I'm sold. I hope you are too.